नोटबंदी सरकार का बड़ा फैसला था। एक ऐसा तीर मोदी ने चलाया था जिससे निशाने पर बहुत कुछ था। एक और जहां सरकार ने अपनी शाख को जनता के हवाले किया, तो वहीं काले धन वाले और आयकर रिटर्न में हेरा फेरी करने वाले पर भी नकेल कसने की तैयारी थी। अब नोटबंदी के बाद आयकर रिटर्न में जिन लोगों ने हेरा फेरी करने का काम किया है, आयकर विभाग ऐसे करीब 30,000 लोगों पर कार्रवाई करने की तैयारी में है। कहा जा रहा है कि आयकर विभाग कथित टैक्स चोरी के उन 30,000 से अधिक मामलों की जांच कर रहा है, जिनमें करदाताओं द्वारा नोटबंदी के बाद रिटर्न ITR में संशोधन किया गया। CBDT के चेयरमैन सुशील चंद्र ने नई दिल्ली में कार्यक्रम के अवसर पर कई सारे सवालों के जवाब दिए।
Tax rate is one of the lowest in the world, I think. The 5% entry rate, I don't find that you will find in any other country. And coupled with that, the initial limit is 2.5 lakh. After that, we are giving some benefit of the ATC also. And therefore, after it is only 5%, one of the lowest rates which we can have. Only thing that we are having a lot of data collection, and we want that through data collection, we can increase the tax base of this country.
So when can we finally see the spike in direct taxes? Right now the spike is only owing to lower refunds, but when can the demonetization impact be seen in collection of direct taxes?
If you see, our personal income tax, advance tax has grown to 40%. So there is definitely a spike. Yeah. And that is only because of demonetization that the persons have come into the tax net, they have felt that they should pay their taxes. This is the first installment. And if you come to the second installment, definitely you will find a much bigger spike.
So Finance Minister very clearly said that reasonable tax rates would be now the agenda for the tax department. What do you mean by reasonable, and how reasonable will the tax rates be? Because at the entry
I
level
think you can decide the reasonableness. I think we cannot go below 5%. And for the corporate and the MSMEs, we have given a 25% rate, which is almost competitive in the whole world.
So, but reduction in corporate taxes is still yet to be seen, because that was a roadmap announced in the budget long back. But a formal reduction to 25 from 30 is still yet to be seen. By when can we see a proper reduction?
Last year, if you must have seen, that it could have been reduced by 1% each year. But the Finance Minister took the call and reduced to 25%, which gave benefit to 96% of the companies.
Sir, what is the update on Benami properties? A lot of action has indeed been taken, but in terms of numbers, where do we actually stand?
At the moment, we have attached 233 transactions under this Benami Properties Act, amounting to rupees 840 crores. And more data is actually we are doing through data mining.
सवालों के जवाब से ये साफ हो गया है कि ऑपरेशन क्लीन मनी के पहले चरण के बाद सरकार को क्या मिला और देश में आयकर को लेकर कितनी पारदर्शिता आई है। नोटबंदी के बाद जिन खाताओं में संदिग्ध पैसे जमा किए गए, उन सब पर अब नकेल कसने की तैयारी की जा रही है। मोदी सरकार के इस फैसले के बाद देश में आयकर दाताओं की संख्या बढ़कर पिछले वित्त वर्ष के आखिर तक 6 करोड़ 26 लाख हो गई, जो पहले लगभग 4 करोड़ थी। ये एक बड़ी उपलब्धि है। NMF न्यूज की रिपोर्ट।